Did you know that you are meant to be a billionaire? And if you stop scrolling, I will tell you the reasons why that is the case. Now, we can both agree that there are billions of people worldwide that all have various problems. But here's the thing. One of those problems is a problem that you are meant to solve. And if you think about it, you making a solution that you are creating for this problem available to billions of people worldwide. Even if you're selling it for as little as either R1 or $1 or £1 or whatever currency you decide to sell it in, you are creating value for your environment, which ultimately means that you are a billionaire. But you see, there's something that's stopping you from operating in your purpose of solving this problem, and that is a slavery mindset, a virus that has been in place and transferred from generation to generation since the fall of Adam and Eve. Its sole purpose is to keep us enslaved and away from operating in our purpose, at the same time limiting our wealth generating ability and our ability to create value for our environment. If you want to know more about this, head over to www.my-synergy.com to secure your copy of Overcome the Slavery Mindset. Be emboldened, be empowered, be enabled. God bless.